All right, I'm ready. Let's do this. Hey guys, so today I will be unboxing my very first pair of Demonia'S. I'm trying a new makeup look, as you can see. Do you like it? I freaking love it. I'm living for this look. This is so out there. Looks great. Of course, wearing color contacts would make it even pop more, but I'm like, nah. Okay, I'm like totally feeling myself. All right. I'm trying out this new lipstick today, and it's so beautiful. So I totally forgot that I was supposed to put makeup underneath here. So yeah, I just did that off camera real quick. So anyway, if you don't know what Demonia'S are, Demonia is a type of gothic boot. They mostly have platforms on them and like buckles, things like that. This is what the box looks like. It's a really, really big box. This is really heavy. This is probably like the heaviest thing I've ever ordered in the mail. So yeah, this is pretty damn heavy for shoes. I was like really shocked about that. They're called Demonia'S Pleaser Men's Trashville Goth Boot. They are sold by Pleaser on Amazon. These shoes cost me $100 plus free shipping. That's pretty good. And this only took 4 days to get to me. This ships from Bree, California. Cali. I got these shoes in a 4M in guys sizing because the lowest size that they had in women's for these were a 6, and I'm a size 5.5. So yeah, and the reason why I didn't just buy the women's was because the platforms on the women's were way too high, and this is gonna be the very first time I ever try walking in platforms this big. So I thought, you know what, I might want to start off with a smaller platform instead of just going like out there with it. For these boots, they actually sold them in 2 different colors online. There was a shiny black leather, and then there was a matte black leather. So I decided to order the shiny. All right, now is the big reveal. Oh wow. First thing you see, oh my god, these are heavy. Okay, first thing you see is, it says Demonia on the box. Oh, I've always wanted a pair of these. Can't wait. Okay. Oh, I love that smell. The smell of new shoes or fresh leather. It smells so good. Oh, these are so heavy. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's massive. Holy crap. Oh my goodness, this is great. Cool. At the bottom they have like a fire pattern for traction. Look at that. Dude, that's epic. So this is what it looks like. This is this side with all the buckles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buckles on the side. Wow. I love the chunkiness right here. It's just very cartoon-like. I like that. Alright, let's take out the other one. You know, you just know when they're good quality because like the weight of these, it's proving to me that it is good quality because they're so heavy. So these are gonna last me a long time. Now it's time to try them on. Okay. Oh wow, wait a minute. They come with laces, but you have to lace them up yourself. So I guess I'll do that real quick off camera. I gotta lace these. And it's not looking easy, guys. You know, I was just hoping to put these bad boys on, not having to worry about lacing them up. I was kind of hoping they would already be laced up, but hey man, it's all good. I'm already struggling. What is life? These buckles and shit is in the way. The buckles, man, they're in the way. Can you, like, not?
One eternity later.
Lacing up these shoes literally took me 20 minutes. So I'm happy I did it off camera because I would have been filming for quite a while. Oh my god, these are as big as my face. Oh my god, they're bigger than my face. They are so much bigger than my face. These can smash my face. Oh wow, these are very spacey on me, but I mean, I got tiny feet, so it's to be expected. So I'm putting them on the tightest belt loop that they have here. Hey, at least I know they fit. That's the cool part. I only have one on so far. This is what it looks like. Damn, these are like really spacey in the toe area for me. But I feel like that's what they're supposed to be like because the toe area is very wide. That's so cool. Oh my god. I'm looking in the mirror right now and like, this looks awesome. These look amazing. I love these. So I seriously give these shoes a 5-star. There is not one thing wrong with them. Oh, gosh, I want another pair. I have these white Demonia'S on my list, and they're called Demonia Women's Damned Knee-High Boot, 318. So that's what I'm looking at right now. So for sure, I'm gonna be ordering another pair. I just don't know when. But yeah, these are definitely worth it. I loved these shoes. They were beautiful. Anyway, that's all I have for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!